Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to show you ProfitTok software review. So what actually is ProfitTok? Guys, ProfitTok is a brand new AI powered cloud-based app that allows you to finally dominate TikTok with unlimited one-click video shorts creation. Guys, basically ProfitTok is a TikTok video creation software, and this software ProfitTok goes live on 19th of July 2023 11 am EST. Creator of this software ProfitTok, Mike McKay, Colin Lone, and Rodu Hahainu. This three-person creator of this software. Guys, I'm going to show you step by step all the information about this software ProfitTok. Right now I'm in the sales space of this software. I'm going to show you everything that no one can share with you guys. Is this software legit or is scam? I'm going to show you the true information, honest information I'm going to share with you. So guys, stay tuned. Okay, and end of the video I will give you the bonus. Okay guys, so stay tuned. Okay, at first I'm going to show you ProfitTok pricing and OTOs. Guys, this software have lots of OTOs. The front end price is only $17, and the upsell number one, the front end downsell, is $15. Here is you can see the upgrade number one, $36.93, upgrade number two, $26.93, and upgrade number 6, you can see guys, here is the upgrade number 3, $36.93, upgrade number 4, $26.93, upgrade number 5, $197, upgrade number 6, $97, upgrade number 7, $97, upgrade number 8, $67. This is all the OTOs guys. Okay, and this software, this is the members area of this software. This is very basic software that I never recommend to purchase this kind of software guys. Okay, I'm going to show you this alternative software, the 100% legit software. Hundreds of thousands of people using the software that I'm going to show you right now. I'm using this alternative software guys. Okay, and very best software. You can see this is very basic dashboard and very basic software that they create. Actually that name is ProfitTok. Okay, this is the demo that they share actually. Okay guys, right now I am going to show you the ProfitTok based alternative software. The ProfitTok based alternative software that's called is Victory.ai, video creation made easy. What kind of video guys you will be you want to create? You will be able to create any kind of video, like script to video, article to video, edit video using text, visual to video. This is the members area of Victory.ai. I am using this software over 1 year guys. Okay, and I'm going to show you how you can create video. Here is you can see script to video. At first I'm just clicking here, and here is you can put your script guys. I'm just back to ChatGPT, and I want to write me 10 weight lose tips. Okay, write me 10 weight loss tips guys. Here is you can see they will write 10 weight loss tips, and you can easily create a video, what kind of video you want to create. And if you want to a specific information, they will generate for you a specific information. I'm just going to details guys, so stay tuned. Write a YouTube video script about daily work out. Okay guys, about daily workout. Okay, they will write for me the YouTube video script. You can see guys, they actually write for me the daily workout. Okay, routine whatever you want, ChatGPT will write for you, and just put your script. Here is, I'm going to jump just gym. Here is daily work out. Daily workout. Just put the name. I'm just back in here. ChatGPT. ChatGPT wrote my article. I just copy it here and I just paste it here, guys. Okay. And here is not paste. And here is, you can see all the articles. Here is the title of the daily workout title. I just paste it out. And here is, I'm just going to show you quickly, guys. That's why I am removing all the articles. Okay. Okay, I just removing this one, and I put this one. You can edit the article, guys, like the scene or some extra information. You just edit it and just click here, guys, proceed, and you can choose the templates. Like, I love these templates. You can choose any kind of template that you want. Okay, I choose this one. And what type of video you want to create, the vertical video or short video or landscape video, what type of video? I just want to share the this kind of TikTok style video, guys, and they will create video for me. Wait some second, and you can edit this video also what you want. This is a very good software, guys. Consider the link in my video description below about this software, Victory.ai. Okay, and wait some seconds. Okay, I'm not pausing this video, guys. This is super fast software that's called is Victory.ai. And text to video visuals are ready, creating scenes, 10, 11 to 30 scenes they actually create, 21, 24, 26, 7, 8, 9, and 30 video scene are created. You can see daily workout routine for a fit and healthy life. You can also add audio, guys. Okay, you can give voiceover. You can see here, apply AI voiceover, upload voiceover, and record your own voiceover. What you want? I just want to apply AI voiceover. I want this Tom, this person.
Welcome to Pictory.
Okay, I just apply,
video
and this all video applied this Tom. Okay, guys, I want to preview this video. When I'm clicking here preview video, you can edit anything what you want. I'm going to show you also all the information. Okay, preparing video preview. When this complete 100%, you can listen this video. Okay, guys, stay tuned. And this is one of the best software. Why you purchase this kind of lacky software? I never recommend this kind of software. You can create a script from ChatGPT, and then you can use Victory.ai easily combination. You can easily create a landscape video, portrait video, what you want, guys. Okay, and you can make hundreds of thousands of dollars from AdSense, from Facebook, and also YouTube. Also, you can upload your video on TikTok or Instagram Reels. What you want, basically, you can upload video anywhere. Okay, guys, and here is, you can see the Victory pricing. I'm just going to show you Victory pricing. And the standard plan is $19 per month, 30 videos per month. And here is premium plan is $39 per month. And also you can create 3 free video. Here is the features, guys. You can see create videos from scripts, branding, media, voiceover, video export options, and etc. Everything what you want, guys. You will be able to create anything using this software, Victory.ai. And this takes some times because they actually finish the voiceover. Okay, AI will automatically generate voiceover. That's why he actually combined the voiceover. That's why this preparing video take some times, guys. Okay.
Daily
Okay,
workout
guys, our
routine for a
video
fit
is
and
ready to
healthy life.
preview. You can see.
Host, smiling. Hey everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we have an exciting topic that's going to get you moving and feeling great every day. It's all about creating a daily workout.
Okay, guys, you can see our victory video is ready, and you can select landscape, portrait, square, what you want, and you can edit anything. You can edit this text. Okay, you can increase size, decrease size, what you want. Okay, you can want anything. You can sense the colors of this text, and you can trim this video. And here is, you can delete the scene, you can edit scene by scene. You can edit this scene, 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 what you want, guys. You can sense anything. You can see the element section. You can add any kind of element on your video, what you want. Okay, guys, here is the element you add. Here is the element that you will be able to add. Here is the audio section. Here is the uploaded audio, voiceovers, background music. Also, you can add the background music. Here is the text section, style section, branding, format section. I am using right now the portrait, this format. You can create for your YouTube video this landscape, and square for Instagram and other social media platforms. And here is your story. You can edit also a story scene by scene. You can this drag and drop. You can this drag and drop, and also this scenes. You can see the scenes also automatically scenes here. And that's it, guys. This is the overview of the software Victory.ai. I hope you fully understand. And this software I never recommend, ProfitTok. And this is my honest review, guys. ProfitTok, I never recommend it. And they will actually search lots of money, hundreds of thousands of dollars. Okay, but never worthy this kind of software, guys. Okay. I hope, guys, you fully understand my video. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like, comment, and share this video with your friends and family who are actually struggling to create video for their YouTube channel, for their TikTok, social media. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Please subscribe to my channel, my friend. Stay safe. Thank you. See you soon in my next video.